Hi, Vanakkam. So today we are going to see how to use liquid latex. So Madrasbazaar is launching this, so I'm giving a trial of this, how it's gonna work. And I think I have already made a video about this, but she's officially launching with her own product. Let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, it's totally sealed and the bottle looks very cute. And we'll pour a little on the MDF base. See? And close it immediately. Just spread around. Okay. Today we are going to apply in two bases. One is in resin and the other one is MDF. MDF I'm already doing it. So we will need more of latex. I have already used more than 4 or 5 brands, so from US, from China, and 2 other brands extra. So comparing to that, it cures, like it dries faster, and also it has less odor, which is good actually. So I think you all can give a try on this. So it's been 40 minutes to dry actually. See, it's completely dried. So what I can suggest is you can just leave it as like 1 or 2 hours, let it dry completely, and then you can peel it off. So and then you can apply the mold, because like it shouldn't be sticky while you're pouring the resin on this. So just see whether it's sticky. If it's not sticky, you can just go ahead and pour the resin on top. So let's just see how it's going to peel off. So it comes so easily. Ta-da! What do you think? It's so simple, right? So no more tapes, no more spilling, nothing. See? Super. Okay, so this is how we are going to remove this. And as I said, latex is very easy and simple, and it's not going to mess up our work. Hope this video will be useful for you, and very soon I'll make a silicone mold video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.